looking at?
Who?
You. Welcome to Admin's vlog.
Go. Hey, alright. Hold him back, yeah, hold him back. Go.
Run that shit back. I didn't know what I was doing. You can't be for real. Yeah! Stupid ass.
Dude, your ass. Fucking. Stop cheating, bitch.
I know what he's talking about. Okay.
That's the luckiest shit I've ever fucking seen. Alright guys, so I have this and we're gonna see if we can freeze his hand. How is it? Huh?
Oh, what the fuck? You feel the water, but then there's no water. What the fuck?
We're trying to warm it up. Is it warm now?
Yeah.
You ready to do it again?
Alright guys, so the next part of the video is going to be a little bit different because from where it left off right now to this next clip, it was like a whole week separate, like a week off. Due to the fact that I got sick, you can probably still hear it in my voice, I'm still getting better. But yeah, I got sick and I couldn't go out to film anymore because I just couldn't. But yeah, anyways, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. This is where things, like the conversations get interesting. It's kind of funny. So yeah, just let me know if you guys like this kind of conversations in the vlog. If not, I'll take them out. Hope you guys enjoy.
Where you been at?
Yeah, I got sick.
Yeah, all you motherfuckers, I swear.
It's not COVID though.
Welcome to the vlog.
Say COVID
That's what
though.
they all say, bro.
That's what Atlai said.
Yeah, I'll be saying.
Damn, what if I get a beard before you, bro?
I promise you won't, because I'm taking vitamin D.
Vitamin D's nuts?
I was like, wait a minute. Let's go through the ring too, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, dude, it's trying to attack me now.
I want to sit right here.
Wait, yo.
Hey, yo.
I'll take a picture with his phone. I was like, because you told me to take a picture of something.
What the hell?
You want it, Yay?
We about to see a bunch of bugs just crawling on his head.
It's a female.
What's this? Monkey pussy? Hey, yo.
Yeah, I put my dick in it.
Wait, what?
Have you heard about the new place called Luncheon Nuts?
No, where is that?
On my basement.
Wait, what? Who took you to the basement?
Atlai.
You look like you in a private school.
Little parkour looking ass, what?
Oh, he does.
It's Bebe.
Okay.
Plug your stream, yeah?
It's right here.
No, fucking say it, dumbass.
This is probably I'm going to take the time to edit your name on it.
Got the new cut.
Show me the cut.
Come here.
Yes, sir.
Hey, feeling good, like I should.